Well, I think policy is generally good. I don't think the president ought to be thinking about trying to do a stimulus plan now, because anything he's going to get through the Nancy Pelosi House is not going to be pro-growth. It's not going to be about improving incentives. It's going to be some kind of giveaway. So if the president thinks we need legislation, I would target it toward reducing legal and regulatory barriers to creating and marketing cures and vaccines.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Didn't we learn the lesson from 2009 when Obama was elected and they spent $830 billion and it had no positive impact on the economy? Government spending does not stimulate the economy. No more spending. It doesn't work.
Jump
it
ball.
never works.
Jump ball. Temporary payroll tax cut. Go.
No.
No? No? It didn't work during President Obama did it, and the unemployment rate stayed at like 9%. So people got more money, which, you know, helps voters.
I don't disagree with John or Steve. All I'm saying is that it's going to be the kind of thing that's floated out there in the political year. It will be, just like the politicalization of the coronavirus itself.